In this video, we learn how to use cookies with IronPDF for secure PDF generation in C#. How's it going, everyone? Like I said, we're going to learn how to use cookies with IronPDF to convert HTML pages to PDFs in a C# application. All right, so for demonstration purposes, I've set up an ASP.NET Core application running on a local server, and that contains an invoice page, which is protected by this network login authentication. So we'll use the username at test user and the password test password, then click login to access the protected invoice page. After successful login, the page displays its contents. Now we use IronPDF to convert this protected page to a PDF in a simple C# application. Let's move over to Visual Studio to get started. So first, ensure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed on your project. If not, you can do so using the NuGet package manager. We'll start by importing the IronPDF namespace and then setting the license key. We instantiate the Chrome renderer class, which allows you to render web content to PDF using the Chrome rendering engine. We're going to set the IronPDF rendering.request context property to global to maintain global request context, and that includes cookies and other session data. We define the login credentials using the Chrome HTTP login credentials, specify the network username and password required for authentication, define the URL of the page you want to convert. So in this case, it's localhost:7276/invoice. We apply cookies to the renderer by applying the apply cookies method with the URL and credentials. This helps maintain session-specific information during the rendering process. We set the login credentials of the Chrome PDF render instance with the defined credentials to handle the authentication. We use the render URL as PDF method to render the web URL as a PDF. And this method handles the cookies and authentication using the credentials provided. We save the generated PDF to a file path using the save as method. Additionally, you can set custom cookies manually. You create a dictionary to store the custom cookies and then assign it the custom cookies property of the renderer. Use the render URL as PDF method again to render the page with the custom cookies and then save the resulting PDF to a specified location. So now let's run the application and check out the PDF generated by IronPDF for the protective page that we visited at the start. And there you go, the page content is captured and converted to PDF without any error. So by following these steps, you can use cookies with IronPDF to convert HTML pages to PDFs in your C# application. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you like some more videos from us. To get started with IronPDF, you can go ahead and sign up for the trial on our site, download, install the package, and check out the power firsthand. There's a link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out.